Chapter 1 Number System Part 5. Clear? So today we are going to see operations on real numbers. Operations on real numbers. So already in the earlier classes you might have studied operations on rational numbers. So this year you are going to study operations on irrational numbers. Clear? So operation means basic operation of mathematics, that is plus, minus, okay, divide, product, clear? That only what we are going to see now. Add two irrational number we take, that is 2 root 2 and 6 root 2. Clear? 2 root 2 and 6 root 2. So how to add this? That is very important. Clear? 2 root 2 plus 6 root 2. You see, both are like terms. Clear? Both are like terms. So root 2 is common. You take a root 2 is common. That means only this integer part you add. That is 2 plus 6, 8. 8 root 2. That's all. Clear? You see, this number you see second. So 2 minus root 3 plus, add means what? Plus. This is first number plus second number 7 plus 3 root 3. That is equal to 2 minus root 3 plus 7 plus 3 root 3. Right? So first what this integer number you take, that is 2 plus 7. You group it. Integer number you group it. Then irrational number you group it. That is plus of minus root 3 plus 3 root 3. Clear? So now this much, this is how much? 9. Okay. So here this is just like terms. Root 3 there. Okay. So now this can be added. See, minus 1. This is minus 1 root 3 plus 3 root 3. So root 3 is common here. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2 root 3. Right? See, minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So root 3 you put as it is. That's all. So very simple. Like this you have to add the irrational numbers. One more example also you will see. Right? Subtract 7 minus 2 root 2 from 6 plus 7 root 2. Here. So from first to right, from one first to right as usual. So 6 plus 7 root 2 minus of, subtract means minus. Clear? 7 minus 2 root 2. Okay, 7 minus 2 root 2. So that is equal to 6 plus 7 root 2 minus 7 minus of minus plus 2 root 2. Minus 7 minus of minus plus 2 root 2. Clear? Now what you have to do, you group it. First what? Integer, you group it. 6 minus 7. Then irrational numbers alone you group it. Plus of 7 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Okay. So 6 minus 7 minus 1. Minus 1. Plus here 7 root 2 plus 2 root 2 is 9 root 2. 9 root 2. So it is also irrational number. Clear? So adding two irrational numbers, you are getting again irrational numbers. Here also you see subtracting two irrational number, you are getting again irrational number. Okay. Sometime we may get whole number also. Clear? That is depends upon the numbers. Okay. Then the product, multiply 3 root 2 into 6 root 3. Do the product. Okay. So 3 root 2 into 6 root 3. How to multiply means first what? This number you multiply. 3 into 6. Okay. 3 into 6. Group it. For the time being, straight away don't matter. First group it. Okay. Then root irrational number you group it. Root 2 into root 3. So 3 into 6 is 18 into. This will be root 2 into root 3. Root 2 into root 3. How to multiply means root over 2 into 3. It is possible. In into it is possible. Okay. In addition, subtraction, it is not possible. Clear? I will give the formula also. Clear? 18, then root 6. 18 root 6. That's all. Okay. So here two irrational numbers product means here you are getting another irrational numbers. Clear? Now divide also. Same way you divide. Divide 7 root 2 by 21 root 2 or root 6. 21 root 6 or 10. Okay. So how will you divide this? 7 root 2 right in the numerator. Clear? Then 21 root 10 right in the denominator. Okay. Now this is these two number easily you can cancel it. One time will go. This is 3 time will go. Okay. So this can be written as the numerator 1 into 2 root 2 root 2. This root 10 you can split. 3 you write as it is. Root 10 can be written as 10 is 5 into 2. So you can write it root 5 into root 2. So it will be cancelled. So that is equal to 1 by numerator already 1 is there. 1 by 3 root 5. 1 by 3 root 5. Clear? So like this you have to divide. Further you can simplify by multiplying this root 5 by root 5. Okay, that is equal to 1 into root 5, then 3 into 5, root 5 into root 5, 5. Clear? That is root 5 by 15. Root 5 by 15. Root 5 by 15. This one later on I will explain properly. That is taking conjugate we are doing. Clear? So next we will see some rules. Okay. You see first root x whole squared is x. So when you take square, root will be removed. Clear? Root x whole squared is x. Or you see same root x whole squared means root x is multiplied by 2 times. Root x is multiplied by 2 times. Okay. Root x into root x, that is equal to x. Okay. So in the square root, okay, same number in the product. Okay, two things same means clear. You can remove the root. Okay, easily you can remember. Here also root x into root y equal to root over x into y. Root over x into y, where x and y are positive real numbers. Okay, in case of square root, okay, you have to take only positive real numbers. Okay. Now third one, square root of x by y equal to, you can split numerator and denominator. The square root you can easily split numerator and denominator. Root x by root y. Okay. Fourth one, root x plus root y equal to root x into root y into root x minus root y equal to x minus y. You see, this is in the form of, this is in the form of what? A plus b into a minus b. Already you know, clear? Lower class you studied. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, you see, a square minus b square. A square minus b square, right? Okay, but here you have root x, root y, clear? So you put a is root x, you put whole square, minus b is what? Root y, you put whole square. So what you will get? Root x square is, see first rule, that is x. Root y square is the first rule, that is y. That's all. X minus y you will get. Understand? Same, in place of a, root x, in place of b, root y you put, you will get. Same way, this is a plus b whole square formula. That is root x plus root y is a plus b whole square formula, you know. What is a plus b whole square? A squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Okay. A plus b whole square is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. You can write, or you can write like this also. A squared plus b squared plus 2ab. For our convenience, you write. Okay. Now here root x, root y you are putting. Okay. So root x plus root y, the whole square, equal to root x whole square plus root y square plus 2 into root x root y. So root x square is x, root y square is y. Okay, plus 2 root x into root y is root xy. Second rule, apply second rule. Clear? So you will get the same way minus also. Root x minus root y whole square is x plus y minus 2 root xy. Okay. Then even you can take, instead of x, a, b also you can take. Okay. You see now here y I am taking a, b means next irrational number, c, d you have to take. Clear? That's why we are writing like this. Root a plus root b into root c plus root d. How to multiply means ordinary multiplication, nothing. You see, first root a you take and multiply. Root a into root c, root ac, root a into root d, root ad. Then root b you take, multiply. That is root b into root c, root bc, root b into root d, root bd. Okay. Clear? Like distributive law you are using. Now here eighth one is a plus root ab, a minus root ab. Again this is the form of what? A plus b into a minus b. Same formula here using means this is a squared minus root b whole squared is b. Clear? So that's why here written where a, b, c, d are positive reals. Clear? A, b, c, d are positive reals. But this is very important. But root over x plus y is not equal to root x plus root y. Always remember, should not split. In plus there means, in the square root plus there means you cannot split, but product means you can split. Product means you can split. Clear? But plus there means that is not at all possible. Same way minus also. Always remember this. X minus y not equal to root x minus root y. Root over x minus y not equal to root x minus root y. Always remember, okay? So always you remember these rules. Clear? Now we will see some examples, okay? Simplify the following expression. Clear? This is just like expression. You see how to simplify means 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus root 2 minus root 3. That means this is one irrational number. This is also irrational. Both adding. Clear? Both irrational number adding. Okay. How to add means, you see here 2 root 2, here root 2 there. You group it. Like term, just like like term, you group it. These two are like term, group it. Plus here root 3 like term. So group it. Like term means what? Same kind. Both are having same kind. Clear? 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. So that the simplification will be easy. When you group it like terms, the simplification will be easy, right? So now 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2. Simply root 2 means what? 1 root 2. Okay. 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2, 3 root 2. That's all. Root 2 taking common, 2 plus 1, 3. So always remember 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2. So read properly. 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2 means 3 root 2. Okay. 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Root 3 keep common. Clear? So 5 minus 3, 2. 2 root 3. That's all. Clear? Second problem also we will see. Only one more problem. 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. So this is product. Here you see sum there. So that's why what simply we added. On grouping we added. But here what the product, you have to multiply one by one. First 3 you take. 3 you take, apply distributive law. That means distributive law means what? You have to, this 3 you are taking distribute to the two terms. Clear? So 3 into 2, 6. 3 into root 2, 3 root 2. Plus root 3 into 2, 2 root 3. Always you write root 3 into 2 means 2 root 3 only write. Okay. This root number you keep at last. Okay. First to write a whole number. Okay. 2 root 3. Then root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2 is what? Root 6. Root 3 into root 2, root 6. Root 3 into root 2. 3 into 2, 6. Right? That's all. So any like term you have? No like term. So this is the answer. That's all. Just what? Multiplying. Just multiplying. So this is the answer. Okay? So next one you see 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5. Which form? A plus b into a minus b. You see same number. Here also same number. Here plus sign, minus sign is there. So that what this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Clear? So now apply a squared means 3 the whole squared minus root 5 the whole squared. So what you will get? 3 squared is 9 minus root 5 squared means when you have root there, when you have square means both will be cancelled. That means 5. So here you will get 4. Okay. So this is next problem you see. Root 3 plus root 5 whole square. This is a plus b whole square form. A plus b whole square form. What is a plus b whole square formula? In lower class you studied. Okay, now earlier also I explained it. Clear? So a square plus b square plus 2ab. For our convenience you write. Okay. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? Or you can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Anyway you can write. You remember this. So a is root 3, b is root 5. So root 3 the whole square plus root 5 the whole square. Just to put the value. 2 into root 3 into root 5. Clear? Now root 3 squared is 3 plus root 5 squared is 5 plus 2 into root 3 into root 5. You can product it. Okay, that is 50. Okay, now 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 2 root 5. I think now you understood why I am writing a square plus b square means you see here you can easily add 3 plus 5 easily you can write. Okay, add. So 2 root 5 or 2 root 15. Clear? 2 root 15. Okay. Next problem you see 3 root 6 plus 2 root 6 by root 3. So how to, this is what? Both like terms. You see root 6 same like term. 3 root 6 plus 2 root 6 means 5 root 6. 5 root 6 by root 3. Still you can simplify this. Okay, 5 into this 6 can be written as root over 3 into 2. Right? 6 factor is what? 3 into 2. Root 3. Clear? So now this can be written as 5 into root 3 into root 2. Use the rule in the product, in the square root product, if you have means you can split it. Root 3 into root 2 by root 3. So this root 3 you can cancel. So 5 root 2. Numerator we have 5 root 2. Clear? So next we will see is some exercise 1.5 problems. First problem is classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Some numbers given, you have to classify whether it is rational number or irrational number. Okay. After simplification only. Clear? You have to do. If there is any possibility to do simplification, do the simplification. Then only you have to classify. Straight away you should not do. Clear? So now 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5. So it is clearly what? Irrational number, because root 5 is irrational number. So you subtract any number also, you will get irrational number. So is irrational number. Now 3 plus root 3 minus root over 23 means here plus root 23 minus root 23, it will be cancelled. Clear? So you will get you see split. This will be cancelled, means what you will get? 3 you will get. 3 is rational number. 3 is rational number. So is rational number. Okay. Now next problem is 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. So root 7 you cancel it. Okay. That means what you will get? 2 by roots 2 by 7. 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is fraction. So it is rational number. Is rational number. One by root 2. In the denominator we have what? Irrational number. So the whole thing will be irrational number. So is irrational number. It's very clear. Since root 2 is irrational number, so 1 by root 2 also irrational number. So here fifth one, 2 into pi. Already I told you pi is irrational number. So multiply also you will get irrational number. So is irrational number. Clear? So very important points to be remembered. Clear? So the sum of a rational number and an irrational number is an irrational number. Sum of rational number and irrational number means always irrational number will get. Difference also. Difference of a rational number and an irrational number is also irrational number. Then the product of non-zero rational number with an irrational number is an irrational number. Okay. The quotient of an irrational number with a non-zero rational number is an irrational number. That means in the numerator irrational number, denominator rational number means then while dividing you will get irrational number only. Here also the quotient of a non-zero rational number with an irrational number is an irrational number. So numerator rational number, denominator is irrational number means the result is irrational number only you will get. Okay. So the end of the video you will get homework problems, you do it. Okay.